Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to hide any file in a background of a picture. Here we have 4 different files, one Word document, one PDF file, one sample video and one MP3 audio file. Now we are going to encrypt the files by using WinRAR, and hide the encrypted file into the picture file. Here you can all see, all files are normal Word, PDF, MP3 and AVI files. In the screen you can see, a JPG picture file which we are using for hiding all other files. Now the procedure. Now I am open a new folder, and cut-paste all my documents into it. Rename the folder. Now zipping the folder, with the help of WinRAR, by right-clicking on it and choose Add to Archive. Here we are setting a password for more protection. Here we are use a simple password like ABCD, but when you are going to do this, I suggest it must, alpha, numeric, also with some special character in it. Here we type the password A, B, C, D. It's now archiving. But we are deleting the old folder, because we don't require it anymore. Now we are verifying that the RAR file password is working or not. But we are deleting the old folder, because we don't require it anymore. Now the final part. Here we have one RAR file, full of our precious documents and one picture file, in which we are going to hide the password-protected RAR file. Now open the command prompt, make sure the command prompt path should be in the same path. Now type a simple command copy as COPY space \B space space output.jpg. You can change the name output as per your choice of your own. If the command completed successfully, it will show one file copied. Now you find an output file in the same folder, same as the picture file you choose. When you double-click on the output, it will behave as a simple picture file. But there is a trick. You can now find the output file size is the size of combining size of the picture and your RAR file. Both files are added to your output file, which behave like a picture file. Both file added to a single file with picture in front. Now I am separating the output file, so we can demonstrate how to UNRAR your documents from the picture file. There are 2 ways to do so. First one is no, Double-clicking on it only show the picture within it. First way is by rename the file's extension, from JPG to RAR. Now, with new extension, it will behave like the RAR file with the password which you set. Hope you remember it was A, B, C, D. Now we are again change the extension as JPG for showing another way. Now right-click on the file, go to Open with, if there you not found, the unzipping software, just choose Other Application, and browse through the navigator and choose WinRAR. You find the WinRAR application in your program files. Now you can extract your documents anywhere you want. By this process you can hide your precious document with password. No one can imagine that a single picture file can hide data. You can also send this file over mail. Now it's payback time from your side. If you like this video, please support us by subscribing this channel. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, more video is on the way. By this process you can hide your precious document with password. No one can imagine that a single picture file can hide data. You can also send this file over mail. Now it's payback time from your side. If you like this video, please support us by subscribing this channel. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, more video is on the way.